what's up guys? So today I took two tickers. I took JP Morgan early in the midday. I took it on the short side because I saw it's probably cleaner on the 5-minute chart. So basically I saw that it was making a down turn. This is sort of the area where earlier in the day this was like an area where it got stuck. This time it had a chance to run up if it were to run up, and it's making its way down. So I was thinking of this being a potential breakout. So I took it on the short side, and when it did break out and it hit basically right to the T, this area, I started to scale out, and it got all out for fear of it bouncing back. It did do a mini bounce back after the breakdown. And then afterwards, here near the end of the day, it held this level, and it looked like it was going to retrace a bit because this stock was down like quite a lot. It was like down 6% or so. So I took it on the long side, and then on the pop, because there's a level of resistance up here, I decided to scale out on the way up towards that. So that's what I did. Bought it, and then on the way up I scaled out. Now it seems like it's going to keep on running up, but it's already close to market close end of the day. So I just got out. I just want to be sure I'm out ahead of that. BYND, I took some small shares on this. So BYND, it came down, held this level. I took it on the long side, and then on the pop, I got out some. On the drop, I added back to it, but then I set a stop loss, so if it loses all of these moving averages, which is my level of support, I would get out. So I got out, and then it did drop, but then it bounced right back. So on the way back up, I went back in, added to it, and again set my stop loss below the moving averages. This acted as good support. And then on the run up, I got all out, and the reason I got all out here is, as you can see, it kind of hicked up a bit at this point, and then made a retracement. I didn't want to give back all my profits, so I got out. It did again hit the bottom and then went back up, bringing it above VWAP. But that's kind of unpredictable. So I'm happy with the way I set my stop loss. If it breaks down below this moving averages, I would have gotten out. Usually a cleaner run would probably be holding the EMAs, the 9 and the 20, and then going up. This one went all the way down to like the 50. So I'm not really comfortable with that if it breaks down below that, because you can always go back in. Sort of like here on the way back up, if I were watching this and I wanted to be more aggressive, I could have went back in at one of these areas. But instead I went back in as it got above the 50. So anyway, those are my trades. Hope everyone have a good weekend, and see you on Monday.